This is where the rubber meets the road. How do you apply for a HARP refinance? Well, the first step is to see if the property is eligible, then to uncover whether you're eligible. If you haven't seen the other videos and you simply want to reach out to us to get clarity on those things, we invite you to send us an email or give us a call. But the next steps for applying for a HARP refinance is to do the application, which you can simply do at the website below. You also want to find your most recent mortgage statement, write on it whether it's Fannie or Freddie backed, and if you also have PMI, please notate that on there as well. Then we'd ask that you would email or fax that item to us. Now, in addition to your most recent mortgage statement, please also include your declaration page for your homeowner's insurance. This is the document that lists what your coverage is and what your premium is. We're finding in many cases we're able to save people on their homeowner's insurance as well, just augmenting their savings on a monthly basis. Oh, and if you have a second mortgage, go ahead and include that in that fax or that email so that we make sure we have everything that we need in order to best represent your interests and give you our very best advice.